Are you looking in today's design-forward world? Full-length mirrors are more than just functional. They're a staple in home decor. Whether you're styling an outfit, brightening a space, or enhancing room depth, these mirrors deliver both practicality and elegance. This guide dives into the best full-length mirrors reviews, analyzing key features like frame quality, sturdiness, size, and versatility. Perfect for fashion enthusiasts. List number: Amtok full-length mirror, 76 by 34 arched floor mirror. Mirror, full length with stand. The Amtok full-length mirror is a showstopper with its oversized 76 by 34 dimensions and elegant arch top, making it a statement piece in any bedroom or hallway. Crafted with high-quality glass and a sturdy stand, this mirror delivers excellent durability while remaining stylish. Its freestanding design gives users the flexibility to move and position it easily. The aluminum alloy frame resists rust and offers a modern yet classic appeal. Whether you lean it against the wall or use it freestanding, it provides a clear, distortion-free reflection, perfect for daily outfit checks or brightening up a room. The arched silhouette adds architectural interest, which complements minimalist or contemporary interiors. Users rave about its well-packaged delivery and upscale aesthetic. If you're looking for size, stability, and style in one package, the Amtok mirror is a standout option. List number: Arched full-length mirror, black standing mirror, 75 x 35 full-body mirror with standing. Blending sleek design with functional charm, this 75 x 35 arched full-length mirror is perfect for modern homes. The black frame offers a minimalist look, while the large reflective surface delivers true-to-life images without distortion. This mirror stands out with its three-way usability. It can be leaned, hung, or used freestanding, adapting effortlessly to your room layout. The arched shape softens the mirror's bold lines, adding a luxurious touch to bedrooms, dressing rooms, or entryways. Its aluminum alloy frame is both lightweight and durable, while anti-tip hardware ensures safety if mounted on the wall. Users love the high-end look it brings to spaces, often comparing it to mirrors double the price. If you're after a versatile and stylish full-length mirror, this model blends form and function with ease. List 3. Floor mirror, 71" by 32 full-length mirror with stand for bedroom living room, black. This 71" 32 full-length mirror hits the sweet spot between size and portability, ideal for apartments and mid-sized rooms. The clean black frame has a modern aesthetic that blends into any decor, while the high-definition glass ensures clarity without visual warping. Designed with a durable aluminum frame and a built-in stand, this mirror offers excellent stability and a sleek profile. It can be used both as a freestanding unit or wall-mounted for more permanent placement. A rear bracing ensures it won't easily tip over, which is a great safety feature. Customers appreciate its value, sturdy build, and the fact that it arrives well-packaged to prevent damage. It's a practical choice for anyone who wants a reliable, good-looking mirror that won't overwhelm their space. List number: Sweetia full-length mirror, 71 by 28 floor-standing mirror freestanding. Full-body mirrors with stand, for bedroom compact yet classy. The Sweetia 71 by 28 full-length mirror is ideal for bedrooms or walk-in closets where space might be tight. Despite its slightly narrower frame, it still offers a full-body reflection suitable for getting dressed or taking outfit selfies. The freestanding metal frame provides solid support, while the archtop design adds a touch of sophistication. The thin black frame keeps the focus on the reflection, making it a subtle yet chic addition to your decor. The mirror glass is high definition and shatterproof, increasing safety for households with kids or pets. Reviewers often mention the easy setup and minimal wobble, even on carpeted floors. If you're seeking a functional, slim profile mirror that's as durable as it is elegant, the Sweetia mirror is a smart, space-saving choice. List number 5. Sweet Crispy 64 by 21 arched full-length mirror, standing or leaning full-body mirror with aluminum alloy thin frame. The sweet crispy 64 by 21 arched full-length mirror is compact yet visually impactful, ideal for smaller rooms, hallways, or dorms. Its thin aluminum alloy frame ensures a lightweight yet sturdy build, while the arched top adds a trendy, boutique-style vibe. It works great as either a leaning mirror or a freestanding unit, with a fold-out stand that keeps it upright and stable. While not as large as other mirrors in this roundup, its 64-inch height still offers a clear, full-body reflection for most users. The high-definition glass offers excellent clarity, and its safety backing gives peace of mind. The mirror's minimalist design pairs well with both modern and traditional interiors. It's particularly praised for being easy to move and adjust, making it a perfect addition to multi-purpose spaces or rented homes.